Welcome to our channel. If you are here for the first time, consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and share them with your friends. Please hit the bell icon to get the notifications on our next videos. Thank you. Let's examine some dog behaviors. One side of the head is tilted. A dog tilts his head when he feels doubtful about something he is actually interested in. When he is waiting for more information, especially from a trainer, he exhibits this behavior. He can also turn his head to listen to a sound and pinpoint its origin. Head shaking in dogs. A dog will shake his head when he is relieved of stress. Head shaking is normal dog behavior. Without fingers and thumbs, dogs instinctively shake their heads to relieve discomfort, itchiness or irritation. It's an effective way to clean the ear canal of water, dirt, or insects. What your dog's yawn really means. A dog yawns to release pressure and tension when he is stressed or threatened. This is a behavior that a dog may exhibit when he is bewildered, tired, or threatened. Furthermore, while meeting other dogs, a dog may behave similarly. Your dog may yawn repeatedly when he's waiting in the vet's office as a way of dealing with nervousness. Sometimes dogs yawn in anticipation of something enjoyable, such as a walk. This is a way of controlling his enthusiasm. Closing mouth or opening it slightly, by a dog. If your dog's mouth is closed, or slightly open, and held in the customary position, you can tell he's relaxed and content. If his mouth is closed, and drawn back, he is frightened, afraid, servile, or in pain. Other dogs can be content with their mouths retracted, and still be content. As a result, you may need to keep a careful check on your four-legged companion to figure out what's wrong. Licking lips. When a dog is nervous, or stressed, he will lick his lips. Your canine companion's body language could signal that he or she is sexually active. Furthermore, you should be aware that, if you see him licking the lips of other dogs, he is not yet ready to befriend them. This is a common occurrence in puppies. If your dog, showing teeth, and biting. Your dog is hostile or expressing dominance, if his lips are drawn back to reveal teeth. You should be particularly cautious when your dog shows teeth because he may bite you. You should be aware that your dog is enraged if his or her behavior is accompanied by snarling and wrinkling of the muzzle. It is advisable not to approach any dog that is behaving in this manner. Dog panting. Your dog will pant if he is overheated, or suffering from heat stroke. This is how dogs cope with stress. This is how they maintain a constant body temperature. Some dogs may adopt this behavior in order to relieve pain or stress. Barking and yelping dog. Your dog may be expressing antagonism, or feeling danger, if he barks frequently and loudly. If your dog barks short and quietly, he is friendly or wants to play. If your dog produces a sudden, sharp yelp, you should be alert that he is in agony. Growling. If your pet produces a low or medium growl with or without bark, he is protective, territorial, or threatened. He may become enraged and attack humans or other animals. In addition, your dog may make a slight growl if he is alert, anxious, contented, or playful. Howling. Your dog will wail for a long period if he is lonely. Most dogs do this to signal their presence to other dogs, or even people. If he lets out a brief howl, you'll know he's happy or excited. The howl of a dog can also be used to mimic other noises. Whining and whimpering. A dog's enthusiasm, anxiety, or submissiveness is indicated by a low, short whine or whimper. He is restless or distressed if he moans or whimpers for a long time. In my experience, most dogs use these body language signs to want attention. Opening eyes and staring. You should be aware that, if your dog's eyes are wide open, he is vigilant. He's attempting to seem domineering or scary, if he gives an intense gaze with narrowed eyes. He's threatened, and wants to attack, if he shows the whites of his eyes. It indicates that someone is polite or subservient, if he looks away after a brief stare. If you're carrying treats or food, your dog may stare at you. Blinking eyes in your canine buddy indicate affection or fun. Pricking ears. Your dog will hold his ears forward, or up if he is curious, aggressive, or wants to play or chase. If he keeps his ears flat, and near to his head, he's afraid or insecure. If he holds his ears apart but not flat, he's likely to be dissatisfied or unsure. Flicking ears. Your dog is simply listening, if his ears are darting back and forth. Most animals will twitch their ears when they hear a new sound. So, if you see your four-legged companion flicking his ears forward and back, remember that he's just trying to hear the sound well. Wrinkling muzzle. Your dog's muzzle wrinkles indicate that he is either furious or aggressive. He's warning you, he's ready to strike at any moment if he bares his teeth and snarls while wrinkling his muzzle. You should stop whatever is causing this behavior, and leave to prevent getting assaulted. Sniffing the air. When your dog sniffs the air, he's most likely in danger, or on the hunt for a threat or prey. A dog sniffing the air does not growl, snarl, or howl to avoid alerting his target. A dog can also sniff out other dogs or humans, to see if they are compatible. Exposing the belly. Your dog is either trying to show respect, or playing when he lays down and exposes his tummy. If you find it humorous, you might encourage this tendency by massaging his tummy. When your dog is assaulted by other animals, he may be forced to expose his tummy. Raising hackles. Your pet's hackles will rise if he feels threatened, insecure, enraged, or afraid. A dog with raised hackles is usually watchful and aggressive, ready to strike at any moment. When your dog encounters other dogs, he can stand tall and raise his hackles to defend himself in the event of a canine attack. Raising paws. When your dog raises his paws, he's asking for something or wants to play. Younger dogs, this behavior is common. When a puppy wants to sip milk, he can touch his mother with his paws up. You should know that a dog loves you if he raises his paws to touch you. Digging. A dog digs to bury or uncover his valuables. It is normal for him to dig, so you should not be worried if you see your dog behaving this way. Your four-legged friend can also dig holes to catch small animals in their hiding places. Others dig to create suitable resting places for their young ones.